Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called English verb forms, like first form, second form, third form, fourth form, like ing form as well. We can call fourth form ing form as well. You would be well known and well aware with these forms, and we can call them participles as well. So let's move on to the definition of it. Verbs are words that shows an action like sing, occurrence, develop, or state of being exist. Almost every sentence requires a verb. The basic form of a verb is known as its infinitive. The verb's past tense usually has the same ed form as the past participle. So as you all know, there couldn't be a single sentence without a verb, and if there is no word, it wouldn't be a sentence. It would be kind of clause. So let's move on to the examples. As you can see, the first form can be called base verb, and second form can be called past simple, and third form would be past participle. Like if the first form is begin, so second form would be began, and the third form would be begun. And if we are asked about the fourth form, so first form plus ing is equal to fourth form, like begin would become beginning. Okay, and here choose, the second form is chose, and the third is chosen. Okay, there would be some changes in between the words, like vowels, changing of vowels, and there would be some words, there would be the changing at the end. You can see over here in others, but most of the time you will find the changing inside the word. And there would be some of the words which would not change their format, which would not change their form. Like for example, read, read, read. The speaking, the pronunciation is different, but the spellings are the same. Okay, now move on to the next thing. Okay, now you can see the base form of love is love. The S form of it is loves. We put only S at the end. The past form of love is loved. The ing form of love is loving. The past participle form, like third form of love, is loved. In the same way, drink has the same forms, like drink, drinks, drink, drinking, and drunk. Hopefully you understood the concept of forms, and it would be like enough for the day. It's enough for the day, and see you next time. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.